Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Windsurf Editor. If you are a developer, a software engineer, a student, or even someone learning to code with the help of AI, you've probably heard a lot of buzz around Windsurf Editor. And in today's video, I'm going to take a detailed look at Windsurf Editor, covering what it is, its main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and whether it deserves a spot among the best AI coding tools available in 2026. So let's get started. Windsurf Editor is an AI native integrated development environment, or IDE, designed to help developers write, edit, debug, and manage code with the assistance of advanced AI models. Originally launched under the Codium ecosystem before becoming the standalone Windsurf Editor, which is now Devin Desktop, the editor was built with a simple goal: to make AI feel like a real coding partner rather than just an autocomplete tool. And unlike traditional coding assistants that only suggest the next line of code, Windsurf attempts to understand entire projects and also to analyze code bases, plan multiple step changes, and even perform edits across multiple files. The centerpiece of the platform is an AI system called Cascade, which acts more like an autonomous coding agent than a simple chatbot. What makes Windsurf particularly interesting in 2026 is its vision of keeping developers in flow. Instead of constantly switching between browser tabs, AI chat windows, documentation pages, and terminal sessions, Windsurf tries to bring everything together into a single workspace where AI can understand what you're building and actively help you move forward. As AI coding tools continue evolving rapidly, Windsurf has positioned itself as one of the strongest competitors to Cursor and GitHub Copilot, especially for developers that are looking for a more autonomous AI coding experience. Now, let us talk about the main features of Windsurf. First is the Cascade AI agent. The biggest feature in Windsurf is Cascade. Cascade is an AI coding agent designed to understand your entire codebase instead of just the file that you're currently open on your screen. It can inspect project structure, it can analyze dependencies, identify relationship between files, and perform coordinated edits across multiple parts of an application. Next is the code base awareness, or the context awareness. One of the biggest challenges for AI coding assistants is understanding large projects. Windsurf addresses this through deep code-based indexing and contextual awareness. The editor continues analyzing your project so that AI suggestions are based on the broader structure of the application rather than isolated snippets. Next, there's multi-file editing. Many coding assistants work on one file at a time, but Windsurf allows AI to make coordinated changes across multiple files simultaneously. This is particularly useful for refactoring, feature additions, architectural updates, and bug fixes that affect several parts of a project. For large applications, this can save hours of manual work. Then there's the AI chat and command interface. Developers can interact with Windsurf through conversational prompts. You can ask questions, you can request code explanations, you can generate documentation, create tests, optimize performance, or troubleshoot bugs directly from the editor. The AI responds with context-aware suggestions based on your projects. And there's terminal integration. Windsurf doesn't stop at editing code. The platform also integrates with the terminal, which allows AI to suggest commands, explain terminal output, and in some cases even execute tasks as part of larger workflows. That function can significantly speed up the development processes. There's also multimodal AI support. Yes, Windsurf supports access to multiple AI models depending on your subscription plan, and that allows developers to choose different models for various tasks such as code generation, debugging, reasoning, documentation, and software architecture planning. MCP integration. Windsurf supports Model Context Protocol, which is often referred to as MCP. This allows connections with external services, tools, databases, and workflows, extending what the AI can access and accomplish within your development environment. Now, what is the pricing of Windsurf like? The pricing depends entirely on your needs. There's the free plan, which is light, there's a pro plan at $20 per month, and there's a max plan at $200 per month. There's also a Teams plan at $80 per month. And there's equally an enterprise plan where you talk with the team so that they can make something customarily for you. Now, what are the pros and cons of using Windsurf? First, we talk about the pros. It has excellent AI agent capabilities, familiar VS Code experience, strong code-based understanding, generous free tier and multiple AI models. How about the cons? There's a learning curve for agentic workflows, and there's usage limits on some plans definitely. So the more detailed you want the work to be, the more you have to purchase in terms of credits. So is Windsurf Editor the best AI coding platform in 2026? I'd say the answer depends on what you're looking for. If your goal is to have an AI assistant that can understand entire projects, make multi-file changes, assist with debugging, execute coding tasks, and act more like a collaborative software engineer than a simple autocomplete tool, then Windsurf is absolutely one of the strongest options that are available today. My overall assessment is that Windsurf deserves a place among the top AI coding platforms in 2026. It may not be perfect, but definitely its AI agent capabilities, the code base or the context awareness, and the productivity enhancement make it one of the most exciting coding environments that are available today. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Cursor, Cloud Code, and Devin. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.